It's a Saturday afternoon, we're working on the car, yeah, so that's pretty nice.
Where's my beer? I thought you drove 22. It's probably 1 inch. Off. As we know, Cam, 1 inch is slightly bigger than 25.
25 works.
25 does not work.
I don't give a fuck what anyone says.
You just want it because it looks cool, not because it's...
Yeah, it's like that Hella Flush shit. Hella Flush.
Would you not rather see?
Have you not seen that video about Hella Flush?
Yeah.
You f***ed. You drive a Honda on 17 by 10s, but you can't turn the corner because you're hella flush. I don't care. Exactly. I don't care. Yeah, pleb sucks. I got a tampon for a finger.
Good if this was on the hoist.
Don't you fucking go there.
You bite well.
Yes, I do. Ass. You'll honestly better.
Why do you put it on so fucking tight?
I didn't. It's just fucking... Put your motor. We could have just... Yeah.
Look. Where the f*** put that on? Jesus Christ.
I don't fall off, is it?
Go off the big switch.
Okay, I'll go. Now I'll go off that. Which one should I take power?
You do, don't cut the green wire.
Don't be smart ass. Just wiring up all the gauges at the moment. And Titties is just doing all the center units off my oil, removable oil filter. So we'll have oil pressure and oil temp soon. And then I'll just go buy an adapter this morning to put in the top radiator hose. And then I'll have new water temp as well. Because I don't trust the factory ones too much. And I can't afford to buy a fancy G4, so just do what I can.